Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to send a PowerPoint presentation through Gmail on your laptop without getting lost in the process, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step method to make sure your slides are sent smoothly and professionally. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss a single detail. Step 1, save your PowerPoint presentation. Locally, the very first thing you need to do is save your PowerPoint file onto your laptop. Inside PowerPoint, go to the top left corner and click File greater than Save As. Choose an easy-to-find location, like your desktop or a specific folder. Give the file a clear name, something recognizable so you won't have to dig around later. This step is crucial because Gmail can only attach files stored on your computer. Step 2. Open Gmail and start a new email. Next, open your web browser, head over to gmail.com and log into your account. Once inside, look for the Compose button in the top left corner. Clicking it will open a fresh email window where you can start drafting your message. Step 3. Attach the PowerPoint file. Now it's time to bring in your presentation. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll see a paperclip icon. That's the universal symbol for file attachments. Click on it, and your computer's file explorer will pop up. Navigate to the folder where you saved your PowerPoint file, select it, and hit Open. You'll notice the file name appear just below the subject line, confirming it's attached. Step 4. Finalize your email and send before hitting Send. Let's finish things properly. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Add a subject line that clearly describes the file. For example, quarterly presentation slides. Then write a short message in the body of the email, giving context or instructions for the presentation. Finally, double-check everything: the recipient's address, the subject, your message, and of course, the attachment. Once you're confident it's all correct, click Send. Always save your PowerPoint presentation locally before attaching it. The paperclip icon is your go-to for adding files in Gmail. Clear subject lines and short, polite messages make your email more professional. And don't forget that final review. It saves you from embarrassing mistakes. And that's it. You now know the complete process for sending a PowerPoint presentation through Gmail on your laptop in 2025. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.